had a 3-year-old and a 7-month-old whenever I started my Etsy shop. And one thing that I knew I did not want in a way to make money from home was I knew that I did not want to have to post on social media, and I did not want to be glued to my phone all day in order to make money. So we did need money. So every single month our account was getting lower and lower. So we were spending more than we had coming in every single month. But I wasn't desperate enough or to the point where I was willing to sacrifice the time with my kids so that I could make money from home. So we had decided that I would be a stay-at-home mom, and I wanted to actually be like here with my kids and not be just looking at my phone all day. And so that's when I started like looking for ways to make money from home. That was one of the requirements, was that I wanted something I could do while they were sleeping. I wanted something that didn't take up a lot of my time. I wanted something that didn't take up a lot of my energy. And that's when I stumbled upon, so there were so many options, but most of them required social media. And so that's really what I liked about digital products and Etsy, is that I could work on my Etsy shop while my kids were sleeping. So I get up in the morning before they wake up. I've always been a morning person. I'm the person that wakes up just like at 6 a.m. or 5 a.m. for no reason. So I've always been a morning person, and I prefer to wake up in the morning before they get up and work on my Etsy shop. And that way, whenever they do wake up, I've already done my work, so I know exactly what to focus on to make money in my Etsy shop, and that's exactly what I do. And so I get up before them, I get my tasks done with my Etsy shop, and then I'm able to just focus on them the rest of the day. So that means, cooking any meals, keeping the house clean, going to our homeschool co-op or any play dates. Like, I'm able to be fully present for all of that. And meanwhile, with my digital products, so since they are digital, I don't have to worry about any shipping. Etsy delivers the product for me. So they're digital. I create them on Canva, which is a design platform. I create my products on Canva and I upload it onto the Etsy platform, and Etsy will promote that product for me. So Etsy has over 90 million active buyers, and they will show my product to the people who are searching for whatever I've created. So if I have a cleaning checklist, if someone goes to Etsy and they type in cleaning checklist, then my product is likely to pop up because I have made a cleaning checklist. And so that's how I'm able to get views to my Etsy shop without having to post on social media and without having to pay for ads. I let Etsy know exactly what my product is so that they can show it to the correct people whenever people are searching for the type of product that I have created. So Etsy will promote my products for me, so I don't have to worry about posting on social media to promote my products and, looking at trying to record reels or trying to record TikTok videos. I don't have to do any of that. And so that's one of the amazing things about Etsy, is that, it gives me my time back because it promotes the products for me. And then whenever someone purchases my product, Etsy also delivers it for me. And so whenever you list your product, there's a section where it says digital file, and that is where you will drop your product. And so that's whatever they're going to get. So if it's like clip art, if it's a PDF, whatever it is, you tell Etsy what it is and they will send it to the customer. And so whenever you make sales, Etsy delivers that product. And so I don't have to be on my phone, each time I make a sale. I don't have to be on there trying to send the people whatever they've bought. Etsy handles all of that. And another thing I love too is that Etsy handles the taxes for me. So it is tax season, and Etsy has sent me a 1099 form where I can just easily, send that off to our tax person, or if we do it myself, I can easily just put the information in there. So Etsy has already figured out whatever taxes needs to be collected per each sale. And so I don't even have to worry about that, which if anyone has done like somewhere like Shopify or Stan Store, any of these other types of digital products, platforms where people sell their digital products, you are responsible for handling your own taxes and doing that yourself. But with Etsy, they handle that for me, and they just send me the form at the end of the year. And so I don't have to worry about handling my own taxes. Like Etsy handles so much of the heavy lifting for me. And it has just been such a blessing for my family that there is a way out there to make money that doesn't require me to take away from time with my family. So if we are traveling, I still get notifications from my Etsy shop that I am making sales. If I'm at a play date, I'm still making sales at the playground with my kids and whoever we're with. I just think that it's such a blessing and such a time to be alive where we have this opportunity and we have access to a platform that will not only promote the product for you, but they will deliver the product for you. They will handle the taxes for you. Like, they do so much of the work for me. And that's why I don't understand why people complain so much about it, because Etsy is doing so much. And if you don't like the platform, then what are you, like, go do something else. Like, I think this platform is like for people like me, like a stay-at-home mom who just wants a way to make some extra money so I can get my family out of debt, or so I can take them to the beach this summer, or, if just so we're not struggling living paycheck to paycheck, just so we have some money left over at the end of the month. That is why I love Etsy, because it gives my family the extra income, the cushion, the peace of mind to know that there's a way out there that I can make money for my family, but I'm also able to be completely present with my kids. And that is my priority. So if you've been thinking about selling digital products, I would highly recommend starting on Etsy, especially if you have very limited time to work on your products. You don't want to promote them on social media. You don't want to be glued to your phone responding to DMs all day. Like, you just want a more hands-off approach because you have a busy life. You have things to do. Then I highly recommend trying out Etsy. You can go to the description and I will help you get started with your Etsy shop. I will show you exactly what I've done to make over $26,000 selling digital products on Etsy as a homeschooling stay-at-home mom. No ads, no social media. I will walk you through my step-by-step process so that you can replicate my results. And I know this concept of digital products can seem like gimmicky. There's a lot of people, saying like, here's how I've made, $100,000 selling digital products in 2 days, or, it's like a lot of clickbaity things. And so I try to steer away from that. I just literally want to share my experience at selling digital product and just let you know how much it has changed our lives. Like, we've been able to pay off our car, which is crazy. Like, we don't have a car payment anymore. We've been able to go on vacations, and like, we have money left over at the end of the month. And actually, just last month, we had an issue with our air conditioner and it cost $2,000. Like, that would have killed us. We would have had to put all of that on a credit card. But thanks to digital products, like, I just transferred the money over into our main account. So I have like my business account, and then we have our main family account, and I just took the money out of my business account and we paid it just in full, no debt. And so like things like that, like, it can seem so small, but when you're in that situation, you need $2,000, like, that's insane. And so for me to be able to have that money just in my business account ready to go, that's the type of life-changing opportunities that can happen when you actually decide to go for it, when you actually decide to believe in yourself and believe that you can do this, because there's nothing special about me. I'm just committed to getting out of debt. Like, I'm committed to making this work. And if you are committed to making it work, then it is going to work, period, because you're not going to give up. And that's all that it takes. It just takes commitment to the process, trusting the process, not giving up. It takes faith, but if you have that, then you're gonna win, period. And so if you have any questions about digital products or selling on Etsy, I'm here to answer them for you. I think that this is an amazing opportunity, and I think it's so slept on because so many people have so many fears, and they let the fears and the doubts stop them before they even start, before they like even have a chance to be successful at it. And I just don't want that to happen to you. And so if you have any questions, just let me know. I'm here to answer them for you. I'm here to see you win.